Hi guys, welcome back to Acrylic Painting with Julie E. If you're just joining us, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit the thumbs up. Even share it on your Facebook page if you'd like. Cost you nothing, it would help me greatly. I got a new toy delivered today from Amazon. It is a shot glass dispenser. I don't know if anyone's used one in a pour before, but I saw it in one of those product or gadget demonstration type videos. And while they were pouring the alcohol in, I just pictured paint going in. And I thought, okay, it was cheap enough, we gotta try it. So yeah, why not, right? So here we go. I've got some leftover paints from my birthday pour. Those were Artist Flow Black, Arteza Space Gray, and Arteza Bordeaux Red, all mixed with mixed pouring medium. 1 ounce of paint to 7 ounces of mix. I added a little bit of water to thin them down. And so, yeah, I'm not going for anything really elaborate. I'm just testing it out. I want to get to know it, see how the patterns form and stuff. So yeah, I figure I'll layer some black, I'll layer some red, and we'll see how it disperses, because it's kind of got these funky little, I don't know, like a little more than a crescent shape on the bottom where it holds the little shot glasses. So, but it's got little tubes where the paint's gonna come out and run down and hit it and stuff, and it'll puddle here, but I'm curious to see how it will flow, and once I pull it up, how it will come back. So, okay, let's get started. Let's see. I think, put these over here. I think I'm gonna go with the black first. Let's just see how this goes. Ooh, a little hard to get to the center. Well, it looks like it's pouring pretty evenly. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, that one's got a little bit more in it. We'll just let that finish pouring out. Put that back up here. Okay, cool. All right, now the space gray. I don't know why, but this always comes out a little bit thicker, and I even put a little extra water in it, and it still feels thicker. Could be because it's a metallic. All right, here we go. Let that run out. Like I said, I'm not going for a masterpiece here. I am just wanting to see how it flows and the patterns it makes. And for some reason, I have got a bubble on every single puddle that came out from each spout. How funky is that? That's kind of interesting. All right, now the red. Oh, and there's the second bubble. Okay, I think I'm getting the bubble because I'm letting the spouts go completely empty. And that's what's causing that paint bubble there. It's gotta be. Very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more in. Oh, and I dripped. There we go. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use a thicker consistency. But this is interesting. This is cool. All right. So there, got that. Now, let me get a straw in here and try and blow some of this paint off. Okay, it's not holding much more in there, so that's good. Okay. Let me get a piece of cardboard. Okay. Up. There we go. Oh, neat. Yep, it's filling itself in. Cool. I like these cool little buggy patterns in here. That is neat. All right. Let's see. I drew a line through my buggies. Okay. This ought to be interesting. All right, I'm actually going to put red down for my negative space area, because why not? I want my hands stained blood red for a couple more days again. All right, here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention this is an 11 by 14 inch gallery wrapped artist series canvas from Joann's. I kind of like it off center like that with the red negative space. What do you guys think? I think I'm going to try and keep that. Yeah, and then I'm just going to go over this with a little bit more red on the corners. So yeah, I'm keeping it like that. I like it off center like that. That looks kind of cool. Okay, let me wash my hands and cover those corners, and then I will bring you down for kind of a wet close-up look. But yeah, not too bad of a pattern. Not too bad at all. Yeah, I'm just gonna try a different, I'm gonna try a thicker consistency with my school glue pouring medium next time. But in the meantime, I've still gotta get rid of all this paint I mixed up for my birthday. The red is almost gone. It's almost empty. But yeah, I've still got a full cup of space gray and 2 cups of black. So, look forward to a lot of more black paintings, huh? Well, not next time. Next time I'm gonna do more colors, but okay. Just cover these corners. There we go. There. And here. All right, and then pull those off. There. See, I don't mind all these red and black paintings because if they don't sell, I can always hang them in my bedroom because my bedroom is done in reds and blacks. I adore red and black, especially together. And I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one. There we go. All right. Cool. Let's go in for a closer look, and hopefully I won't smack this. Good, I didn't. So far, so good. I haven't dropped it in the paint yet. I've been known to do that. There we go. Yeah. That is pretty cool. Try there. There we go. There. Isn't that cool? Isn't that the neatest pattern? See that? I think those are really cool. Hopefully they stay. Hopefully they won't move too much. But yeah, I got some neat lines, neat patterns. If I can get my camera to stay focused. Okay, I'll stop it here because it won't stay focused. And I'll see you in a snap for dry results. Be right back. Okay, we are back with somewhat dry results. You can see it's drying beautifully, but is still wet in the center. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? This one is gonna look so beautiful. I'm so happy with this one. So happy. I love that little shot dispenser. I like the patterns it created. And yeah, it's just really cool. So we're definitely going to try that again, maybe with some multicolors. And look at how well the mix pouring medium, even watered down. I thought it was going to be a little bit too thin and it might muddy, but it still stayed really good, really crisp lines. Look at those cool little details. Kind of look like wheat. Okay. Well, that's it for now. Happy Monday, y'all. Loves and hugs. Bye.